Diatonic triads are basic chords formed on each degree of a scale using only the notes of the scale. In simple terms, we get the first, the third, and the fifth notes of a keyboard on each scale degree. In Western music, scales mostly have 7 degrees, or in other words, 7 notes. Each degree has its own unique name. The most important degrees are the tonic, the subdominant, and the dominant. The scale degrees are also denoted by Roman numerals. The tonic is the first degree of a scale. Most music pieces start and end on this note. It is the home note that provides a sense of resolution and stability. The subdominant is the fourth degree of a scale. It often moves towards the dominant, the fifth degree, creating a sense of motion and expectation. The dominant is the fifth degree of a scale. It often leads back to the tonic, creating tension that resolves when it returns to the tonic. A very common melody line is subdominant, dominant, and tonic. The subdominant leads towards the dominant creates tension, and the tonic resolves this tension. The second degree is called the supertonic. In a major scale, it provides a smoother transition to another degree. In a minor scale, it creates tension and instability. The third degree is called the mediant because it is halfway between the tonic and the dominant. It also can provide a smoother transition to another degree. In simplified terms, if the distance from the tonic is major third, then the scale is major. If it's a minor third, then it's minor. The sixth degree is called the submediant. In a major scale, this is the starting note of the relative minor scale. It serves as a kind of home tone in major keys, but adds anticipation and brightness in minor keys. In a major scale, the seventh degree is called the leading tone because it is a half step below the tonic and naturally leads back to the tonic. In a minor scale, the seventh degree is called the subtonic and does not have the same strong pull towards the tonic. To harmonize a melody using diatonic triads, you have to identify which diatonic triads contain the notes of the melody. For instance, if the melody note is G, you can harmonize it with the tonic triad, the dominant triad, or any other triad that includes G within the scale. Changing triads too frequently, especially between short notes, can make the music sound choppy and unnatural. It's usually best to maintain the same triad over shorter, faster notes to ensure fluidity. Here's a very bad example.